Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on tech with Best Buy, complete guide step by step clearly. To save on tech at Best Buy, start by planning your purchases. Research upcoming sales events and promotions on their website. Sign up for Best Buy's newsletter to receive alerts about exclusive deals. Download the Best Buy app for mobile access to discounts and rewards. Join the My Best Buy loyalty program for points on every purchase. Look for open box items for significant savings on products that are in like-new condition. Check the clearance section both online and in-store for deep discounts on last season's inventory. Use Best Buy's price matching policy to ensure you're getting the best deal. Follow Best Buy on social media for flash sales and limited time offers. Consider financing options or flexible payment plans for larger purchases. Take advantage of seasonal deals around holidays and back-to-school sales. Utilize student and military discounts that Best Buy often provides. Regularly browse the weekly ads to stay updated on current promotions. Timing your purchases around major holidays can yield substantial savings. Trade in old tech devices for store credit to apply towards new purchases. Monitor Best Buy's website for daily deals and special promotions. By following these steps, you'll effectively save on tech purchases at Best Buy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.